this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name without changing your Google account information. You can see right here, Meditate Daily. This was not Meditate Daily, so I'll show you how I updated the YouTube channel name both here on desktop and on your mobile device. What you want to do is log into YouTube, of course, and then you're going to go to your avatar on the top right-hand side up here. Now, make sure that you are in the correct channel. You can see here I have several YouTube channels because I teach about YouTube. So we're going to go into the Switch account. We're going to go to Meditate Daily right here. Once you are in your YouTube channel, you may need to refresh your screen just a couple times. You can see here on the top left-hand side, just to make sure that you are in the correct YouTube channel in the correct frame right here. There's two ways that you can do this. You can go to Customize Channel, or you again can go to the top right-hand corner in your avatar and go ahead and click YouTube Studio. I'm going to go ahead and click YouTube Studio just because it seems a little less obvious, but it's going to take you to the exact same location. If we look over here on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see that we have Dashboard, Content Playlist. We want to make sure that we are in the Customization tab right here. On the top, you can see there are three tabs. We have Layout, Branding, and Basic Info. Make sure that you go ahead and click Basic Info. And then you can see here the channel name was Meditate Daily. By the way, this was not always a meditation channel. You certainly can rebrand at any time. You want to go ahead and click this pencil right here that says Edit Channel Name. And then this screen will pop up right here and you can go ahead and put whatever channel name that you would like to in here. I do recommend that you research to determine if there are other channel names related to the one that you want to do. And before I show you how to do that, there are certain limits on how many times you can change your YouTube channel name. Currently, it's 3 times, I believe, within 90 days. And here's how you change your YouTube channel name on your phone. And yes, it is 5:04 a.m. So go to the top right-hand side. Obviously, make sure you're in the YouTube application. Go to the top right-hand side, click on your avatar, and today we're going to go into your channel right there. And again, this is without changing your Google account information. Now, super easy on mobile phone. You can see right here we have Manage Videos. Then we have these little up and down things here. This is for your analytics. And then we have the little pencil right here. Go ahead and click that pencil. Now, if you click this pencil right here, this is where you can also change your YouTube channel name. And you can see here, changes to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. And if you want to learn more, you can go ahead and click the Learn More tab here, and it will take you to an article that is also very helpful. You'll notice that when I record these videos, it is always very early in the morning, and that's because when I was first starting YouTube, I worked a full-time job that used to support my family, and I've just kept the habit of recording early in the morning. So if you're in that same position, you are trying to leave your job, you want to make some extra income, you are definitely in the right place to learn how to do that. Here's how you determine if there are other channels related to the one that you want to do. You can see here I am in youtube.com. So let's just go ahead and put in Meditate Daily. That's what I've chosen right here. And you're going to go ahead and put in your channel name. And then you're going to go up to here to Filters. And you can see here that I can choose under Type Channel right here. I'm going to go ahead and click Channel and see how many other channels are called Meditate Daily. Look at all this. Meditate Daily, 1,000 subscribers. Meditate Daily, 39 subscribers, 12,000, 9,000, 1 video, 5 subscribers, 3 subscribers. So there's no real substantial channels that are called Meditate Daily other than this one right here with 1,000 subscribers. So yes, I did make the decision to name my channel something that is already out there, because as this channel grows, I have no doubt in my mind that there will be any confusion because these ones likely would not populate anyways. If you can choose a channel name that someone has not already taken, definitely go ahead and do that so that you don't have any worries. This entire channel is dedicated to all things YouTube related. Click the video on screen now for some additional YouTube growth tips and tricks. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.